Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change player and team in practice arena in FC26. Before we start, if you wanna do it in the match or in the practice arena, unfortunately there is no way. You have to exit from the practice arena first and then only you can change the team and player. So once you exit from this, we need to head over to gear icon, which you can see at top left hand corner. Open that. Now go to profile manager, and just right here in the favorite team we need to choose the team which we wanna use in the practice arena. So we have to choose the country first. Let's say for the sake of this video we go with France. We'll select this league, and just right from this screen we need to choose the team like this. And once you choose the favorite team, they gonna select the rival automatically. If you wanna choose the specific rival, you can go for that as well. I'll just get back from this. For instance, again just get back from this screen. On the main menu we're gonna open the option learn to play, and going to open the practice arena to see if the player and team is changed or not. At this point the team is changed but player is not. If you want to change the player, in that case you just need to select the player by using your left stick. Now hit B. Now just drag this circle to the area of our players, select the player which you want to choose, just drag him to the ground like this. And yep, this is exactly how you can change team and player in practice arena in FC26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.